Zimbabwean president security has been compromised or is already compromised and weak. Let us take a look this video and get to the conclusion of this matter.
To be in Zimbabwe, living next to the president, this area is very safe. In majority of the houses, they have backup solar panel in case the power goes out. But let me show you where the president lives. Now, these blue gates, they actually secure his compound, so there's no recording, but I'm going to show you anyway. How you doing, my brother? Huh? I don't speak Shona. Beer. Okay. What kind of beer do you want? What kind of beer do you want? You speak English, brother. Come on now. Huh? You speak English? So, are you in the military or are you just a security guard?
I need only one English beer.
I'm saying I don't speak Shona. Yes.
I need only one.
You want one beer?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what kind.
Only one.
Okay. Does it matter what kind? What type of beer?
Russian beer.
Russian beer.
Yes.
Okay. Let me ask you something. Are you in the military or are you a security guard?
We are the military.
Military.
Yes.
Okay. How much do you guys earn per month? How much money do you make per month as a military? Russian beer, I know. But I'm saying, how much do you make per month being in the military?
It's only 170.
170 American dollars?
Yeah.
American dollars?
Yes.
Oh, okay. But how do you like being in the military? I'm saying, do you like your job in the military? Do you like your job?
Huh?
Do you like being in the military?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, that's what's up. So you want Russian beer?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna find you Russian beer. I'm for real. I'm gonna go get it right now.
Oh.
I'm going to OK.
Okay.
Okay, brother. OK is literally the name of a supermarket here in Zimbabwe. And I asked the clerk inside the liquor store what's Russian beer. At first he didn't know, but he knows exactly what it is, so he's gonna help me pick it out. And I'm gonna take it to those guys at the post guarding the president's house. So this brother here is helping me pick the Russian beer. And it's actually called Russian beer, okay? Hopefully this is what the guys are talking about. Okay, this is what Russian beer looks like, and this is the price in Zimbabwean dollars. I'm gonna pay for it in US dollars, and we're gonna see what is the conversion rate. I went to the store and I got the beer that they wanted. It's actually called Russian beer. And I also got them like 5 bottles of water because it's very hot. And believe it or not, the beer was only $9. So I'm gonna have to switch back to iPhone camera because this area, there's no recording. It's Russian beer, and I got you guys some water. Save your contact.
So
Okay.
that you can talk to-
How you doing, my sister?
I know.
Thank you. It's Russian beer. I hope you guys like it.
So honestly speaking, this is wrong. Point number one, these soldiers are taking beer while they are at work. How are they going to protect the president? How are they going to protect the state? This is the State House, guys. This is the State House. Secondly, these soldiers show that they don't earn enough. They don't earn enough to afford. And that is risky, because what if somebody comes and pays them? So how can you be proud of being a president when you are giving your soldiers peanuts, 170 US? What is that? Honestly, Team Zimbabwe, this is wrong. This is wrong. This clearly showed that there is a security breach. How are we safe as the people of Zimbabwe? We can't assure our safety. Honestly, we can't.